Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the exact upgrade your troops in Last War step by step. And yes, this method is working in 2025. So if you're stuck with low level units and want to power up your army, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get into it. First things first, head over to your drill grounds. This is where you'll see the current troops levels that you have unblocked. Now here's the key to upgrade to a higher level troop. You need to make sure your barracks are upgraded to the required level. For example, if you're aiming for level 7 troops, your barracks must be upgraded to level 20. Without that, the upgrade options won't be available. Once that's set, go back to the drill grounds, tap on the center icon for the troop type you want to upgrade. You'll see a green arrow at the top left corner of the troop icon. That's your upgrade indicator. Tap on that arrow if your barracks are not ready. It will redirect you there. Now, if there are already ongoing upgrades in the barracks, you can either speed them up using resources or just wait it out. After your barracks hit the required level, go back to the drill grounds. Now choose the troop again and hit promote. If you're running low on resources, you can either adjust the number of troops you're upgrading or open some resource chests from your inventory. Once the upgrade is done, your newly upgraded troops will be ready to go into battle. And that's it. Super simple and totally effective. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech and game tutorials like this one. Catch you in the next one.